Hello everyone, my name is Adriana. May I share a dream with you? What if we could create a world free of fear and conflict? Imagine living in peace, mutual trust and cooperation. Just consider the possibility of a new sustainable paradigm through a collective shift in mindset that potentially could build a critical mass phenomenon or ripple effect. What if each one of us is the solution? How would that look? From my own personal professional practice and research, I have come to understand that it is possible to transform fear. It's simply a matter of how. Years ago now, I asked myself the question, what is the solution to end suffering? I'm sure you too have asked yourself similar questions over the course of your lifetimes too. Psychologically speaking, it is my understanding that our personalities are formed from within a duality or polarity of positive and negative. Common examples of this are the emotions of love and hate, trust and fear, and that we experience pleasure neurologically wired to pain. That our intrinsic personality is a result of what we have carried in our historical memory bank, often referred to as the cellular memory. That our personality comprises our unique individuality with characteristics of our parents, our genetics, and of our collective humanity. To understand ourselves is to understand family conditioning, the relationship we mirror from our parents and or substitute parents and other major role models reflect aspects of our personality, along with our significant emotional, sexual, violent and traumatic experiences. All of this is the catalyst to unravel the layers of the polarity within our psyche. This forms the blueprint of our perception of reality and of our behavioural responses. So why is it possible that we can experience positive states of mind and then as quick as a flash we spiral down into the extreme polarity opposite, into a picture of all gloom and doom with no way out? I can identify with a plethora of gloomy negative states. Never good enough. Anxious, depressed, stress overload, feeling victimised, persecuted, fixated, obsessional guilt loops, negative body image, negative control patterns, addictive habit patterns, narcissistic personality traits, etc., etc., etc. What a love-hate relationship. What a minefield. I'm sure we can all relate to our rational mind, yet we also feel a moral conscience that is our emotional intelligence, the loving caretaker of our mind and body, that is in direct contrast to or opposition to our instinctual mind and negative ego. Our instinctual mind is that aspect of the personality that is based in primal survival, the survival of the fittest to the kill. This mindset is all about the glee underpinning top dog, power and control, revenge and payback, the thrill of the kill, the avarice, greed linked to lack, never enough, that is the antithesis of the loving nobility of our heart's expression and intelligence, the joy of our creativity. What a dichotomy within the personality. When we perceive that our security is under threat, a fight-flight response is internally triggered within the framework of our instinctual mind, the push-pull of our dualistic personality that we activate. Hence the layers of attack-defense mechanisms, i.e. self-protection or filters through which we screen our reality. It is also my understanding that common fears, such as our fear of rejection, abandonment, betrayal, loss of love, survival, supply running out, etc., etc., are internally based and projected externally. What a cocktail of negative emotions. And yes, fear does distort reality. And yes, fear can be transformed as the polarity is neutralized and unified of the personality. May I introduce you to our Shifting Paradigm series, a methodology to transform and integrate our personality as self-love for peace of mind. The male-female character traits are unified within the personality. This can potentially balance the rational mind with the emotional intelligence. To shift from a fear-hate-based reality involves emotionally seeing through our old filter system. Then the picture flips. Imagine the bliss of a healthy mind and body. Imagine living sustainably on a peaceful planet. What a beautiful world. Visit our website shiftingparadigm.com.au